everyone, welcome to this channel. My name is Orolua with a double A, and you're welcome to this YouTube space. If you are seeing this space for the first time, do well to join the family and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. You might be wondering what's the importance of a baby bassinet. You want your baby to be by your side, but you don't want your baby to sleep on the bed with you, because there is something we call SIDS, or sudden infant death, and it could happen overnight, and you don't want that. We're not praying for that, but you just need to be very careful because babies are very delicate. They could decide to turn and move anyway, and when your baby starts moving, they can decide to roll over to their chest. You might be fast asleep and not notice that their face is flat on the bed, which is dangerous because they might not be able to help themselves back to their back to sleep on their back. Do you understand? So the nose might be blocked, and you might not know in time. We don't want such calamities. So yes, a bassinet is very important if you don't want to get a cut and you want something that's can make your baby stay beside you. This bassinet is very functional. So I've used this baby bassinet for 5 months plus already, and with my experience using this product, I'm going to be telling you the pros and the cons of this product. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be saying is that I like the fact that it can easily stay. It's not big, it's not massive, so it can stay beside your bed, which is safe for the baby and also safe for you to be able to access your baby anytime you want to, in the middle of the night, and just feed and do all that you need to do with your baby in the middle of the night. So another pro of using this product is that it can rock itself, like it can rock the baby. So all you need to do is to pull out this that is here. So once you clip it inside, the bassinet can just keep on rocking the baby until your baby falls asleep and all of that. And once your baby is just fast asleep, it stays straight, like it's not bouncing all over the place. It just stays well. So the another pro is that it can rock your baby while you're asleep, just in case your baby wants to wake up in the middle of the night. Just stretch, once the baby starts moving, the bassinet kind of rocks the baby back, and everybody's fine. Everybody can get a good night's sleep. So that's another reason why I like it. It has an adjustable length, so you can make it shorter depending on the height of your bed. You can make it shorter, you can make it taller. There's a sleeping position which I'm going to show you in using my baby bassinet. Forgive the color of the bassinet, we've used it for a while, and I'm going to actually wash it, but I just wanted to show you just the way it is, so you know that I've actually used this product. So you can adjust the baby bassinet from the sleeping position it is to like an upright position where your baby is not necessarily sleeping but can lie down and play in it. It also has these toys that are attached up that you can remove and also fix back, and this product can be used to just keep your baby busy during the day and at night. So it's like I said, it's multifunctional. You can use it to make your baby sleep at night. You can put your baby in it rather to make the baby sleep at night, and your baby can also play in it during the daytime. So yes, it is multifunctional. Another pro to this bassinet is that it has some songs that it plays, although the songs are they're not awesome, to be honest, but something is actually playing if your baby likes sounds or music. I detached it from the baby bassinet so you can look at it properly. Just fixing the batteries here, and this also, there's a vibrating button that it has here. I hope you can see it. So with that vibrating button, you are able to make the bassinet shake, and your baby feels like probably somebody's around and then it's playing music. So this is very helpful just to keep your baby entertained in a way. Yeah, this is quite helpful. I noticed that my baby enjoyed this for just probably like 1 month. Afterwards, she probably did not need this. So is it that awesome? Well, if your baby likes it, it might be needed, but I don't think it's a necessity anyway. But yeah, it works. It worked for like 1 month, and she probably did not need it again, so we just stopped. I don't know why, we just stopped. Another very, very, very important reason that I've actually enjoyed this baby bassinet is the mosquito nets. Bro, we're in Nigeria. And mosquitoes can just decide to want to come and play with you at night. Our bodies can take it, but I don't think it's good for babies. One night, I left her to sleep on my bed, and by the next morning, I saw two bites, like two mosquito bites. The place was red on her arms, and I was terrified, guys. We just put her into the bassinet over the night, and I'm sure that she's well protected. So, this is the baby, this is the net. So, it stays like this. You're sure that your baby is well secure. But something I don't really like about the net is that, if I don't know if you can see from here, that this stuff, this plastic is already coming out and it's sticking out on all the four sides. I don't know why. We've tried to fix it in and try to sew it back, but it still keeps popping out. To find another way to come out. So that's the only reason why this thing has been stressing us, because we don't want it to, injure the baby while she's in the bassinet. But other than that, this has been fabulous. All we do is push it in and make sure that it's not touching her, or make sure that it stays outside so it doesn't injure the baby while she's in the bassinet. Another reason why I like this bassinet is because it was pretty easy to assemble. I noticed that a lot of people find it difficult and they say it's difficult to do, but I'll link a video to this video. I saw it somewhere online where you can find how to easily assemble it, but it's not been a problem for us, and it was easy for us to, you know, um assemble. Also, when your baby is playing in this bassinet, it is possible for you to strap your baby into the bassinet so that they don't fall off and all of that, which is this you see here, the sleeves. And yeah, so that is that. Another reason why I like this bassinet is because it has a space underneath, so you can put baby diapers, baby wipes, changing clothes, so that you don't need to get up at night. You might just need to sit up from your bed, attend to your baby, change diapers, do anything you want to do, and put your baby back in. So that space down there is very, very, very helpful. According to the manufacturer, they say that the bassinet can be used for a child up until 3 years. So the child will probably be above 20 kg by then. I don't know about that. My baby is just 5 months and we've used it. So we'll keep seeing, I hope that when she still gets to 1 year, I can still put her into the bassinet for her to maybe watch TV in the sitting room or something. But it's still going to be usable for quite a period of time. So even if she doesn't sleep in it anymore, we might need to get a cot for her to sleep in it, but she could still use this to play during the day. So those are the reasons why I still enjoy this bassinet. So now let's talk about downsides to using this bassinet. Okay guys, if you noticed from this, I'm going to attach the clip here. You can see that there is a colorful thing just inside the bassinet where the baby sleeps on it. That thing is very thin, but the reason why I'm not so happy with it is because I can't remove it. I've actually wanted to remove the whole thing, detach it and wash it, put it back. I've not been able to detach it, so I just lay like a wrapper or anything nice and cozy that she can sleep on it, just to avoid some skin rash, because I don't like the fact that I'm not able to detach that thing to wash it and put it back for her to sleep in it, because I feel like she has been using it and using it and using it and is meant to be washed, because it doesn't look clean as it used to be before. I already mentioned another issue I have with this bassinet, which is the mosquito net and the stuff that comes out. We've just used it for about 5 months and it has come out like more than 3 times. We've had to sew the place back, but it keeps popping out. So yes, that's another reason why I don't like it. Maybe there are other types in the market that won't give you this problem, but yeah. Last downside to this bassinet is that I feel they can do better with the size of the bassinet. It's not very functional for long-term use. And I mean, it's not very functional for your baby to sleep in. Yes, the baby can play in it for the long run, but for your baby to sleep in for a long time, nah, it's not. I really hope this video has been helpful in helping you determine the choice of bassinets you want to use for your baby. Thank you so much for watching this video. Ensure that you liked, subscribed, and also share a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. If you've used another bassinet and you just have an idea of another bassinet and you want to let us know, please let us know in the comment section. Someone else can actually learn from that to help them decide on the best bassinet to buy for their baby. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.